Hi, my name is Sachin. I would like to review on the various workshops I have attended on RPJ platform with Dr. Bhavya on Vedic astrology and Vastu Shastra. It's so much of learning for me attending these workshops with Dr. Bhavya, and by attending these workshops, I am able to understand the various concepts of the Vedic astrology, the Vastu Shastra. I would like to say that Dr. Bhavya holds such deep knowledge on these subjects, and the simplicity through which he explains the concepts is really amazing, which otherwise are not so easy to understand. He is very interactive with all the participants during the sessions and the workshops, and so very patient. He ensured that every query which came across during the session is answered, irrespective sessions going out of time. He loved imparting his knowledge, sharing his experiences, which is something I like the most about Dr. Bhavya. Having attended his various workshops, my inclination to learn these sciences becomes more deep. I already enrolled myself in a Vedic astrology course with Dr. Bhavya and started my journey of learning occult. Having a guru like Dr. Bhavya is a real blessing. Thanks, Dr. Bhavya. Thanks, Nidhi ji, for being around. Thank you.